Hello everyone, God bless you. Here I present to you where you can avoid your garri not to carry a heavy load. Okay, when you enter your WhatsApp, you have any group, any person that is sending you a lot of things, so you can avoid it. There is something you will click on so that if anything him or she send to you, it will not install in your gallery. Okay, here I go. For example, this is my Live Plus group. Okay, you click on it up here. Okay, you see what they write here, everything they write here. Mute notification, customer notification, media visibility. You press it, then you press no. I promise you, anything they send to you, you are not going to see any of them in gallery. Your phone will not carry a heavy load. You can still do it to individual. Okay, God bless you and remain blessed.